Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another fun Halloween style video. I'm going to show you how to recreate this look, which could be used for a ton of different style costumes, but my main inspiration came from the Starbucks logo. So let's get started. The first thing I did was prime my eyes with my concealer, and I applied a medium matte brown shade all over. This is just a base to work off of, and I applied this directly on the lid, up and out into the crease. Nothing fancy, no special technique, I'm just going to apply this right over that concealer. Then as a base for the green shadows, I'm going to use a green eyeliner and using a brush to blend this out. I'm placing this on the inner corner, outer corner, and bottom lash line of each eye. I am leaving the middle lid space with that brown shadow we applied first. That's where we're going to be applying the gold later on, so just leave a little bit of space on your lid to work with later. I did end up using a few shades from this palette. You can use anything similar that you already own, or if you do want to shop anything mentioned, I will have everything listed directly in the description box, so you guys can check that out for direct links and discount codes. But I'll have the shades up here for you to check out and compare to your own stash if you want to recreate this look. So I'm just really building up that green color, applying this in layers, and using just a little bit of that medium brown that we used on the lid in the beginning to help blend these out. If you guys have followed me for a while, you know I like to typically start messy and then clean up later on. What I mean by that is I like to start with my eyes, especially when it's something dark or dramatic. That way I have the flexibility to be more messy when I'm blending, and then it makes cleaning up easier later on by using my foundation and concealer. Or if needed, if there's too much fallout, I can also use a makeup wipe without risking ruining my face makeup. It's up to you if you want to do your base or face makeup first, but typically with colorful or dramatic eye, I'll start with my eyes. And once we're happy with the color and blend, we're just going to move on to the other eye. So I'm just going to quickly zoom through this because it's the same thing, just on my other eyeball. Then using that green eyeliner pencil, again, I'm just going to rim the waterline on top and bottom. Now moving on to the center of the lid, I'm going to pack on a little bit more of that brown shadow and blend out into the green, just a bit to clean up and help that transition. Then I'm actually going to use my finger to apply this next color. This is a shimmery, deep gold eyeshadow, and I'm just patting that right over top the brown. I thought these colors complemented each other really well, but it also helps to go with the theme of the Starbucks logo on the bags, which are brown in that kind of like deeper teal green. To clean up and blend out the brow bone or highlight area, I'm just going to use a very light off-white sort of cream matte eyeshadow. You can also use this around the edges of the green to help soften that blend if you'd like on the bottom lash line or inner corner. Then I'm just going to quickly add my mascara and false lashes and move on to the glitter. In that same palette, I'm just going to take some of the emerald green glitter and pack that on the lower lash line. Then taking my liquid glitter eyeliner, I'm going to place this on the inner corner, outer corner, and bottom lash line, basically everywhere that we applied the green eyeshadow. Then to make the gold pop a bit more to match the green, I'm going to add some liquid gold glitter right over top the brown and gold shadow we applied on the center of the lid and on the bottom inner corner. Back to the green glitters, I'm going to apply this on the inner corner of my brows using the glitter shadow, just pressing that right over top my brow hair, and then using that liquid liner again, I'm going to use a small silicone brush to help me blend this out, meeting up to the brow in the inner corner as well. I thought adding the glitter in the brow and inner corner like this just added a bit more detail and interest to the look, sticking with the overall theme. Alright, now onto my face. I'm going to take my concealer and place this in the highlight areas. So forehead, down the center of my nose, chin, and under eye. I'm also going to use this to help carve and clean up my brow. So we're going to blend the hell out of this to help even my skin tone, hide any imperfections, and again, clean up the product we've already applied. I think brushes are key when applying your product, so I'm also going to list those down below too if you're interested, because I use a couple different ones here to help me blend all over, but also to help clean up the fine detail around the eye. Then I'm going to go in with my pressed full coverage foundation. This matches my skin tone closer than the concealer because the concealer is going to be more of the highlight. The foundation is going to help transition, and then right over top I'm going to use some bronzer to warm up and frame my face. Then just add a little bit of contour around my nose, cheekbones, and jawline. I'm going to go back in with my brow pencil and just clean these up a little bit more and darken the ends. They kind of got lost with the foundation that I applied. So just to help make this like darker and sharper. And again, just any last minute cleanup, taking my foundation powder anywhere else I feel I need. For the lip, I'm using this green liquid lip. I did find out that it's been discontinued, so I do apologize for that, but I did find a bunch of dupes and similar options, so I listed those down below. The crown was super duper easy to make. All I did was cut out the shape of the crown from looking at the logo using construction paper. Then I mixed together a couple paints to custom make this color, which I thought matched really well. And then I just used some wire and hot glue, attaching this to the crown, tying the wire in the back to attach the crown on the top of my head. I did make this a bit on the larger side because I wanted it to be kind of obnoxious, like glam and a statement. It's up to you if you want to do like a little one that you could just clip into your hair or maybe attach to a headband. You could do that as well, but I just really liked the idea of having a really big oversized crown. Then to finish the look, I just added some dry shampoo, texture spray, and lightly used my beach waver to help get this big tousled beachy hair. It's giving me a little bit of like Keebler Elf and Lady Liberty vibes. I think it would also be a great idea to use for like a Tinkerbell costume. So that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel here on YouTube and that you're following me on Instagram and TikTok for more day-to-day updates. Be sure to check out the description box for more information and discount codes. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.